Tianjin Huajian Fastener Company Limited, established in 2003, is located in Fastener Base of Northern China, Xiqing District of Tianjin, nearby Tianjin Xingang Port. Our main products are screws and nails, such as self-drilling screws, self-tapping screws, drywall screws, chipboard screws, wood screws, staples, coil nails, gas pin nail, blind rivets, etc. We also can make different coating as customers' requirement, such as rust pert, mechanical zinc plating, zinc plated, and so on. Our products are widely used in construction, manufacturing, machinery and equipment, new energy industry, etc. Mainly standards are GB, DIN, AISI, JIS, and series Russian standard nuts, screws, nails, and various standard parts. Products were exported to North America, Middle East, Southeast Asia, Europe and South America, etc. The average annual supply capacity of our company and cooperative factories is approximately 12,900 tons. Our company's business philosophy is to provide thoughtful service, high-quality products, and competitive prices. With more than 10 professional and advanced management systems, our company adopts the latest machines domestic or abroad, all of which are environmentally friendly, to ensure that our customers have no worries in consultation, procurement, ordering, and using. As the development of society and economy, together with the development of our company, more outstanding talents will join our team in the future, and more people will enjoy our products and services. Huajian Fastener will create a better tomorrow with you.